How to fix lag in today's video. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix lag in Roblox easy and fast. So all what you have to do to play without any problem is very easy. Just go to the top corner on your server, click on Roblox logo, and then click here on settings, and then scroll down and make sure to make the graphics mode on manual and graphics quality like this, and then go back to this people option, and then all what you have to do here is simple. Just click on reset character if the problem didn't fix it, and after that go back, and congratulations, see you later.